we started the program this morning, me and my brother Mark Ololo, they talk about the IGP, the National Assembly, and so many other matters. But this matter when they say concern the IGP now, the National Assembly, the matter now, we want to put them out again now. We got people over there from outside, they come look this matter with us, and they will talk to us. We get to people for our house here. We get our brother Chris Ojekere. Welcome to our program.
Welcome, my brother.
I greet you. Barrister Abraham of Yahweh, now one person will say if you come to a matter, you could talk on the way it be, no care the kind political party whether from come or not. Barrister, welcome to our program.
Thank you very much, my brother.
Okay, people don't decide some kind of things that happen for our country. Before you wake up in the morning, you see one matter we could discuss. Before they go break on that, we'll come out again, we can't discuss. So the first one, when they discuss, don't forget her. On that will come out again. On that will come out again. The one BC say is doing now when we discuss among others. So that be the one BC and the drama when they happen between National Assembly and the IGP, the General of Police, and all that. Ever since this drama they happen, my brother Chris Ojekere, I want to find out from you how you see the things that when BC they happen, and what it mean for our country, Nigeria.
Okay, thank you, Tom. If they get where matter they reach, they go even hard to talk. Because the time when they grow up in those days, for community which they call African community, they get elders. The thing we take, they respect those elders. Now the way those elders they carry themselves. That's why they call them elders. When they do public place, even for private place, they how they behave. Now that respect, now they give elders. And at the respect of those elders, now they give the community.
Okay.
The time we will enter what they call democracy, will be the government where we get now. Now democracy comes and make we choose elders by ourselves. The people who we choose as elders, and they call House of Assembly, so, or governor, or president. President with the power can appoint other elders. One of the elders who appoint the Inspector General of Police. Waiting our country, I mean myself, and our people expect, not being with the see. Waiting with the see, you know they make us feel dance for public. Say the elders who we appoint or who we elect, that they do and that they represent us as we want them. The thing that they do there, now what they call governance. Governance not be personal thing. Governance not be quarrel between two people. Not be wife that they drag. Not be land. Not be car. Governance, they operate under what they call institutions. We get three arms of government. We get legislator, we get executive, we get judiciary. IG of police, they under executive. He gets his own work, constitution given. Legislator, they under, House of Assembly, they under legislator. They get their own work, constitution give them. So, your work and my work, how I think they bring all these kinds of things where they see. What do you mean they see inside this matter here? Now, people will be saying they don't use to their own way, their own pride, their own ego. So when you can't give their position, they don't forget what in that position, what in that office say, make them they do. Their focus, not do that office again. They under their personal pride and ego. If not, as we go on, lawyer they here. Constitution spell out everybody's job. So to answer your question, it not they make me happy at all, and it's not good for our country. Because not only we they see, and people for outside they also they see.
Okay, if we talk about the image of the country,
yes.
They talk now, say it's not good for our country, other people they watch us and the rest. I know say you say you not to agree with them, Abraham.
I not go say I not to agree, but I go I'll join. The only pain I say the world and I for like to classify this situation. I not go feel I don't know how to talk for pidgin English.
Maybe you talk, maybe we'll go try.
Because the reason I say, if you look at the situation, you go see and say, now gang up against the Senate.
That's what you think?
Yes, I see as a clear gang up.
Okay.
Because I agree, say the Inspector General of Police na part of the executive arm of government, the legislature, separation of power there. But there is a meeting point when the law called checks and balances. And now on the strength of such instrumentality of checks and balances and oversight function of the executive, when the law empower them to do, now they invite them. Not be the first time, not be the second time. This not the third time. You know, only say no go. You can't get the
effort. You invite him again yesterday after this one.
No, I said he made the talk so. You can't get the effort to respond to them, say they are mischief makers and that they are blackmailers. Now what we read for press yesterday, say in talk now make no one. But let me also tell you, this will not be the first time when they happen. They invite Magu, the head of EFCC chairman, he also attend. And you know the pain for inside. I want to talk because I know the fear. Now Muhammadu Buhari say me they know they go. Because now I
not tell you that one.
Now me they tell you now so now you see Pikin Papa sit down for house. Papa sit down for house, Pikin sit down near him. Another elder there for far there. The Pikin they for here they tell the elder
say no good.
Say they tell the elder say you know go keep quiet there. If Papa sit down, if Papa they discuss another issue, if they hear them, if Papa still they discuss with that elder, when if Papa don't quiet, they do all that thing. The Pikin go tell the elder say you dey craze, money go reach, they go bring food. The Papa go say wash your hand, then you dey chop. In the afternoon again, food go come, he go send and say go bring something for me. When the Pikin they come, he go insult the elder again. If Papa dey there, he not talk anything. But he get with you, they call silent is consent. If I keep quiet for waiting,
I mean, you agree for what they happen.
Let me say, I not only just agree, now me tell me they do one.
Okay.
Because there's no between say you agree or you support her. This one I say now you direct her. Because if now once you do one, you go say okay, maybe me tell her, but I support her. You go say hey, the one way you do one so you don't do, but next time not do one again. But consistently, let me tell you, make I just tell you say, since the history of this country, from the way I don't read and reach. I never see the height of its subordination. What they call it subordination finish, like we see today. Even under military regime, they give order now with alacrity. The police now regimented arrangements. They get code of conduct. They get discipline and order. I don't also expect anything special from the current IGP, because if you look in style of operations is when he enter, you yourself go know say himself. A matter get as it be. Because when matter even happen where people they die, you go need to cry, blood need to come out from your eye before you go respond. Not forget, now in the kind of when they do the next election, the last election, 2015 election as commissioner of police, where one particular person get 2 million votes without void votes, and from that same state we get over 60% of people in the state now illiterate. Whereas for University of Benin, where the polling booth where they there, where everything are professors, doctors, students, now they go vote, then you receive void votes. Waiting illiterate, nothing do waiting illiterate do right. Do right now. Our people know if you do wrongly. That one has story for another day. Waiting they try talk and say, waiting the executive they encourage the various individuals to slight the Senate. And let me also say this. If not for the National Assembly, this country for don't lose dive.
Okay, we will discuss matter when we say concern National Assembly maybe for other day. But one thing we say I want to make we know. At the years of people, so many people they talk yesterday, especially even Falano. They come out and say yesterday, even what the House they do in this regard, say they wrong. That the man get the right to say subordinate go there if you know fit come and that kind of thing. They quote different sections of the Constitution. Me, I know be I know be lawyer and this. But no, man, not ask you, JK. Make I ask my brother first before we say we will go to that one. The fellow no, now big man. Now I say no, you be say you know even be say. He talk and say see what happen. I don't say yes, say junior people they win here for court. Now superior agreement now they determine what happen. He say the way the thing be, the man get the right to send somebody go there, make it be say a good stand for her. I ask you, my brother.
Yeah, my brother, you see, don't forget say when the National Assembly invites the Inspector General of Police before, he wrong go court. Go tell court say they not get right to invite him. That court say no. the National Assembly, the Senate specifically have right to invite you on the strength of the checks and balances and their oversight function. Our people, they die like fowl every day. Different issues, they happen. In one day, National Assembly come meet for your office. It's like saying, may Oba come visit you for your house. Oba send for you, you say you not go. You say you want to send your pikin or your housemaid, make it go and answer her. Then, or you want to make it come meet you at the end of the day. Wait till I try to talk and say, Falanas with deepest respect to Falana, his argument is only persuasive. Now, in point of view, be that one. If the Chief Justice of Nigeria invite Falana as a minister in the Temple of Justice, he go say he no go. He invite him first time, he invite him second time, he invite him third time. He don't know what to go happen to him if he do like that. If because he get sentiment for this current parts, no mean say his sense of objectivity, he go come go to where. My argument is very simple. We know the line where Falana done the two right from the beginning, since the advent of this. Now, we also say he never still get situation where he never condemned federal government for the action. Like the Dino Melai matter, he said it was wrong to have taken the guy on stretcher. So here and there, just to say clearly, who is even the Inspector General? Not the Senate confirming appointment. Not be the same Senate, he go confirm the appointment. Why you not say somebody go, maybe go stand in for the appointment when they appoint him? Now when they call him to be accountable as an officer, when they appoint to do job to serve the people, you supposed to be accountable. If they call you to ask, you get scared to only they hide. Although me also surprised, they don't say when this Nigerian police they disobey. Our president send a group in will not go. If the president say he no know say where he say me going or go to, the president never ordinarily do anything. Only wait till they try one check whether now the Inspector General of Police now they control our president or now they in charge or now even make our president. Now wait till they try check, because when president complain of you, it is only in a country like this now what they happen. In any other same country where people they put on their thinking cap, where if they break, human being they think straight, this kind of thing no go happen. Now what they lead to systemic collapse, systemic failure. Now be all these things. When we refuse to follow things the way it be, I can tell you what is Inspector General of Police have done is simply what they call invitation to anarchy. When you don't want to follow the way things they go, but you won't say if you arrest person, you give a day of return, may the person come. If police arrest you, they say come on Monday. If you don't come on Monday, I send somebody go. Then they happy. What if they know they tolerate? Why then they want one the way they be? It's very wrong, my brother. Our country not continue like this, but we tell ourselves the truth. And I like what they say they don't do. They don't pass vote of no confidence on them. But nobody today powerful for this country. You see this God, what will they serve? Now God of justice. If you don't tire for the way you they lead us, we don't need to shoot God before God help us send a batch message. Okay. Nobody believes in 2015. Maybe that one would be. So because this current government, as we stand now, from the records, they are the highest violation of human rights. They are the highest government. When they obey due process to the history of this government, which other previous administration, we must condemn their action, and at the appropriate time, Nigerians will show to them how much they like them, how much they like Nigerians will show to them, because who they cry, they see road, all these things when they do so. My invitation to anarchy, one part they wake up just now. And they resist them. No, of all this nonsense, we hear waiting Ibise you talk. Now I come to you, my brother, Chris. You see the things when Ibise they talk now. People, one school of thought they talk and say, why they not invite this man ever since make it come? And because they don't touch one of their own now, Dilo Menai. Now make our black yes, they come to say yes, make the man come. Those see they talk and say part of the reason why, when the national say because they expect, say part of the reason why, and because say this man. People they die
he not do anything. But people dey look and say, another school dey look and say, e just be like say just take that one to put for the side. The main thing when we say yes, they do am because of Dilomilai, because people don dey die before. They know if that can come that time.
You know, one thing where this kind of program good, na make we talk the whole truth so that our people for house, they go know the real truth. Everything where people go talk for this matter, everybody go correct. Number one, now not be now people don't dey die. Not be now police don't dey brutalize people for streets. Senate not invite this man.
Okay.
Now, the man himself, I no go defend am because I still don't talk everything we talk. I agree with him. Na invitation to anarchy. But the man himself fit point finger to Senate now. He quote Police Act. Wey talk say you fit send representative. And the first time he send deputy inspector general police operation. Second time he send the other one of research and something. Now, if na matter of institution of carrying out your duty, why must you see the man physically? As I talk, I agree with everything we talk.
The National Assembly.
Yes, because we dey talk the two sides. I no want situation where people go take their power, begin to serve their own self-interest. That's what I mean hate. The IG record that's in talk plenty of disobey. The person who disobey president wey this up till now, president never do anything about. The same man go Benue, he spend 3 days there, go Nasarawa. President of Nigeria talk out for television wey the whole world dey see say a whole month you no know say Inspector General disobey am. Now from where you go for outside, they tell us say Inspector General disobey am. The embarrassment is too much now. So that school of thought, they get points too. If Senate they live up to their own responsibility as they supposed to be. IG of police supposed to be there, Ibrahim Idris. You know when they accuse him of corruption, we serve. Accuse him of corruption, one senator. You forget that time. You know the wahala where the man creates. As at that time. And the president said, I not go. Nobody tell us for June 2017 saying they withdraw policemen from VIP. Policemen not full way, they follow VIP up and down.
I think they'll go check them again. They'll go check the matter again.
People know they complain every day for Benue, for Taraba, for Edo State here. Police brutality. There's a police come up for roadblock. They know they collect bribe for your hand for roadblock. The truth of the matter is that that man won't come there, can't do police work. And as he talk, we no will go that far, but what we go ask them? So whether na Inspector General of Nigerian Police or Inspector General of Buhari.
President Buhari.
This man get the courage. Presidency come out with statement. Say the time when this man disobey president, say the presidency query him. He challenged the people. Say they show him the letter where presidency take query him. You know what that for this? He got the courage to come out. So you see, what do they call simple sense and etiquette of office? You don't understand that. And on the matter of this government, that shame that they don't understand their roles and duties. What do we know what make the Senate do? Make them not use Senate begin blackmail anybody. The time when, do you know the lie when they talk so? Police now first write Saraki. They write Saraki around March. Say make the lie go meet Kogi police commissioner. Make it go clear.
His name for
His name. He not go. So IG now the event is the event. I don't think they don't turn government to be that. You do me, I do you play things like children. I just think they don't turn government to be that. So I write out for one Facebook page, one of my friends, right? I said, look, respect that they earn them. If I know my office, you disobey them, I go use the stick. But if I do one kind, they quote Police Act now. Now they are going to put them for us. This according to section 309, section 321, and then they quote one section 7, so section 1 of each of these sections, so I quote so, that if you delegate, I'm not saying the Police Act, but the quota. So what we will try to talk now, we say, the impunity generally. Okay, do you know that matter we refer to that time? DSS get letter or security reports on Magu. Who DSS submit the letter to? Senate President. DSS Director General, which President appoints. Submits letter to the Senate President. Now for Senate President, like President of the country, they know what they say the appointee do. You can see what they happen. That's not a shame.
This childishness. That's my problem.
Okay. You hear what he's talking about the Police Act.
Yes.
I don't know which one is superior. Because you talk and I say the court talks say at a point when they invited this man, the IGP, he ran to court. Court say no. So you get right. So you're supposed to follow what he say he talk. In this case now, the Police Act and the court, it's not sure if they're at conflict now. Or which one the BCA say will come follow.
And make we not make any mistakes about this issue. No law for this country go give you certain power. We're not go create platforms, say in the event, say you didn't dispose. Someone not be deputized for you. If not, the word deputy or vice for not the dictionary. What are they want try to talk? Nobody said the Inspector General of Police not fit deputize. Not fit get person when go deputize for them. But make we not forget. Say the subject, the issues. People say that Jinu Mulai matter now. Now any they invite on the first time. Now Jinu Mulai matter maybe they invite on the second time when you not go. If matter don't they go out of hand. And specifically, those people will come, they will speak to some extent. They will say you are in a better position to throw more light on this particular issue. What they are trying to say me will come. What I can tell you is limited. But the man, when they the head of affairs, now I understand the entire architecture, the entire way the thing be, now I ain't go fit talk. But let's make no mistake about it. The Inspector General of Police deliberately no one go see the Senate. He deliberately no one go see the Senate.
But Mr. Speaker of the House of Reps and Mr. President of the Senate, they meet Mr. President the other day, President of the country. Say this man when BC with the course, the man on the break come, talk to this man. I recall there was the time when BC they go meeting, the whole closed door meeting. And when they come and they come to interview them, the two of them, now you come talk and see what you will go talk for that place and all that. So we get the place say by now, maybe no, Mr. President, they hold them back like you talk.
No,
maybe they hold Idris back.
Make I tell you the summary of this entire problem. You know when you don't do community, your young way of the community, you don't do above 70 years. You can't get health challenges. And everybody must go back, go take orders from the Ojo way. Ojo way now we can't get this imbecilic kind of behavior. Ojo way not going to work well again. You know the thing when you go to report.
But make you suffer with this kind of word.
And now Ojo way they talk so now.
Okay.
Ojo way for communities. Say for example, Beko community girl Ojo way not wear.
Okay.
And Ojo way not wear don't be old. And at the Ojo way. Now you don't give people power. When you go complain to Ojo way say, see matter. When you they talk, Google right. Ojo way Google they explain left for you. And until Ojo way die, or by maybe the power order, or maybe this whatever can happen. You know if you remember there is still the Ojo way. People when they try to deputize, if they get say bad behavior. Like those when they cause problem, when they compare to Ojo way to cure, we not go get headway. That is the summary of this country called Nigeria. Okay. When Ojo way don't be sick, now his son, now he can use and they do what they want to do. And those when be deputy, when suppose they do this arrangement, they fear me, they don't know Ojo way not say I want me to make a take over office, or either they get bad character. Like those when they complain of that community, you know, they move forward. What they try to talk in essence is that waiting the IGP they do and president keep quiet. They will say that they rubbish Senate, that they rubbish our democracy. The person they are creating, say Nigeria na country when nothing they work. Nigeria na country when get systemic failure. Nigeria na country when constituted authority they don't respect themselves. Because before you know now, my brother, you go say now, you go here say they don't change the security aid of members of the Senate. When they're too shouting, they want to put the IGP. You go here say IGP withdraw their security. Who get TV before you give her one? Who get one before you go say make you wait? Instead of going, you go say many police will battle. It go happen like that. They go also having their situation.
What am I trying to tell you? This is a signal for where we go for 2019. That perilous times
are here.
Don't they come? Oh, this na signal. Court order, they not go obey. They say no, we reject the appointment of acting EFCC Oga. In fact, no also forget to, when they indict the secretary to the government of the federation, the attorney general of the country give a clean bill of health. President is saying nothing happened to that guy. Now when people told you, they come set up panel headed by the vice president, and that panel come copiously indict him before they come remove him. That one not be the only one. So what they try to tell you in no share is that, like the president wife talk, Kabbalah day when don't seize this country, and a God will they pray to, and not just to pray to God, with forthright engagement. We must rise up in unison to say this gang up against our country called Nigeria. Now I can't see people they talk say who never test power before. If you give a power, you need to guide them. Because to give them that when you want to because you have big power. If you play a person when you give 100% of alcohol.
Okay.
So you don't know how the thing they drive man like people will not get break.
Okay. So if this kind of matter now, how we go take come up for this kind of matter when this we don't do now? Because we not get plenty time again. Now.
Yes, you said they don't reinvite them again. We go hope say as they reinvite them again, it go this time.
Okay.
Because we need to redeem our image.
Okay.
If it go this time, look, we hope say Senate too, they go deal with the matter for which we they invite her. Then the thing when they talk, if we get president for this country, we sit down, all these things they happen.
Not talk.
It don't mean anything to them. That's why people they talk say vacancy did that place.
Anyway, that one be the matter when we say we discuss now. That's not a different matter. We don't come out for the matter so much. I sure say yeah, we don't talk and reach now. We will talk and reach. We'll continue from here some other time. My brother, Barrister Abraham and we don't tell us so many things. They say no matter what they happen, we need to follow the law. We won't follow the law until they go work our way. And even say Chris Ojekere, he tell us say yes, say because say something they happen. If it's done, you don't talk. But say this thing don't happen more correct and say the thing will spoil. The more. Thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you.
And I'm going to take up this time around from you direct.
My brother.
We'll take a small break. When we come back, continue for ABC. We'll tell you the program. Good morning from Benin. Not going anywhere.